Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be something a little bit different for my channel. If you guys follow my weekly Liv vlog series, if you don't, I will leave it linked off down below so that you guys can check it out. But I was talking about how, or I've been talking a lot about how I am trying to start up at the gym, or I am starting up at the gym, trying to be more healthy, trying to lose some fat, build some muscle and change my physique. And to do that I wanted to invest in some supplements to help me achieve my goals. I'm not going to be reviewing the products in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and then I'm going to insert some taste tests. But I did just want to say that I'm not a fitness blogger, I don't know everything about fitness. I'm going to try and explain some of the products and what they're supposed to do, but I have no clue if I'm giving you guys the perfect explanation, but I'm still going to try my best to explain what the products are supposed to do. So if I say anything wrong, don't blame me, I am just a regular old Joe trying to get into fitness. I don't know what I'm talking about. Moving back to the order and away from my life story, I ordered this stuff on the 14th of February, so they did have a sale, so I got two, I think, extra free things. So I ordered this on the 14th, it shipped on the 15th, and I was actually really shocked because now that I'm thinking about it, it actually arrived in less than 2 weeks. It arrived on the 26th of February, so that is what, like 12 days, which is amazing considering that it ships from Germany and they say that it's going to take 2 to 4, or I think it actually might be 3 to 4 weeks, so this actually arrived really fast. My order shipped into two different boxes. One of them has the Women's Best tape and then one of them is just a plain old box. This one feels like it's got a lot of space in it, so I think the other one probably has like heavy duty tape because it is heavier. So I'm just going to dive straight in and unbox my stuff that I got. For reference, I spent about 190 New Zealand dollars on this stuff, but that being said, I got a lot of different stuff to try. I got 3, maybe 4 different supplements and then a lot of food. So I went a little bit ham, but I wanted to buy a lot of stuff to review. So if you guys like this unboxing video and you'd like me to do a follow-up review maybe after a month, letting you know what I think of the products, are they effective, blah blah blah, just let me know, because I have tried quite a lot of these types of products before, just none from Women's Best. This is my first time ever trying anything by them. Along with the packing slip, I have this thank you little card. It's a weight loss guide. Thank you very much. I'm not here to talk about the company, I'm not here to bash the company or anything, but I do not like their approach to selling this stuff. Like, it tells you to replace 1 to 2 meals a day with this, which is their Slim Body Shake, which I'm no fitness expert, but I know that having 2 shakes a day is not a healthy way to live your life, and it's not a good way to sell stuff to your customers. So I'm not a huge fan of that. I did not buy mine to eat as a meal replacement. I bought it to have like as a snack or pre-workout or post-workout or whatever. I just really like sweet things, so having something like this as opposed to like a chocolate bar or, you know, something like that will be a good alternative. I got it in salted caramel because I already have a chocolate and a vanilla protein powder, so I thought I would try something different, and salted caramel I don't see very often. This is 1.2 kilos. I don't know why I didn't know that it was going to be that big, but it was actually pretty good value for money. But this was $70 US, which actually, now that I think about it, it's not the best value for money. The next thing that I got is a pre-workout, and I picked this up because I don't currently have a pre-workout. I'm not huge into pre-workouts. Like, I used to have them occasionally when I went to the gym a couple of years ago, but I wanted to pick one up because I wanted to try out their brand. And I find because I work out in the mornings and I work out fasted, I can get a little bit like, I don't know, tired when I'm working out, so I thought I'd pick this up. I need to look into whether or not this will break me out of my fast because it does have sucralose in it, and I can't remember if sucralose breaks fast. But anyway, this is the pre-workout booster in Tropical Punch. They also have one called Crazy Fruits, but when I asked on a Facebook group that I'm a part of whether people like that flavour, a lot of people said no, so I decided to go with Tropical Punch. This has 30 servings in it and it retails at, I'm just looking at the thing, the last thing in the first box. To be fair, I'm actually pretty pissed because I bought so many of these. These are the Women's Best protein chips. First of all, the image on the bag is misleading because after I bought this I watched a video and they are not chips, they are like little rice cake looking things. And this is as flat as a pancake. I'm actually going to open this up. The reason why I got this is because it's got, in one bag, it's got 11 grams of protein, 4 grams of carbs and 3 grams of fat, and I thought this would be a really good snack for those days when I need chips. But I literally bought so many bags of these, but look at how mangled these are. I don't know if you guys can see, but because my box was so loose, these are literally destroyed. They're just crumbs, but I'll try one. These taste just like barbecue, like peckish rice crackers. And they are a lot more chippy than they look. Like, they don't look super chippy, but they taste like chips and they give you the crunch. Okay, I take back my initial anger on what they look like and smell like, because they taste good. But these are so expensive. I can't tell you because this was one of my free packets, but I did pay for some. And I think there's something crazy like $5 for a tiny little bag. Moving on to the other box, I'm just going to quickly hack this bad boy open. This one is very tightly packed because this has got like lots of stuff in it. The other box was obviously, just with the protein being in such a huge container, they would have just needed to split it up. But this one, hopefully the protein crisps are not as flattened. Alright, so right off the bat I can tell you that these ones look a lot better. They still have air in them. These are the salt and vinegar protein crisps. I'm not going to try any more because they'll just go stale, but this is another pack that I got. Apparently I got 2 salt and vinegar, so here's another one. See, whoever packed this, just like, there's literally a packet right at the bottom underneath all of my heavy stuff. It's like disintegrated anyway. But I've got 2 more packets and I got paprika, 2 packets of paprika. I think I might have got 1 or 2 of them for free. And then I had to like buy some more to push my my shipping up. I can't remember if I got free shipping or if I got a cheaper rate. I will put it on the screen. Oh no, it wasn't for shipping. I pushed my price up so that I could get all of the freebies, because one of the freebies was these BCAAs, and I was going to buy these, but when I added these to my cart, it pushed the price higher than if I just bought a couple of bags of chips, if that makes sense. So that's why I have so many chips, just in case you're wondering. But anyway, let's talk about these. The job of BCAAs, if you didn't know, are to improve muscle recovery, like stop soreness after workouts. They're supposed to like protect your lean muscle, encourage your body to burn fat, sort of thing. They're not a fat burner by any means, but like if you're going to do fasted cardio, drinking this while you're working out will like promote your body to leave the muscle alone and burn the fat. At least that's what I understand. I might be totally wrong, who knows. But I got the flavour Raspberry Rush, and once again, oh, there's actually 40 servings in here, which is really cool. And to go with this, I bought a humongous shaker. So I bought the 1 litre shaker because I find with all of my other BCAAs that I have had in the past, the ones that I currently have are about to expire, which is why I bought these, because I stopped going to the gym, so they're going to expire. Anyway, I bought this really big one because they're usually super duper sweet, like overly sweet. I thought that I'd never say that in my life, but they are just too sweet. So I got this to go with this. I think this is about $12. I'm not too sure how much the BCAAs are, but I will leave them linked off down below if you guys want to check them out. So this shaker came with my protein powder. This is a 600ml shaker, and I like couldn't take it out of my cart because it comes attached to the protein powder. And I was like, well, that works out well, because then I can just have one just for protein, because you know protein's like quite milky. Then I can have one for the BCAAs, which is more like watery, juicy kind of consistency, and I don't have to like mix them together. Oh my gosh, you guys, the protein chips are $7.99 each. Surely I wouldn't have paid. Oh no, they're not. No, they're not. Oh my god, I thought they were $7.99. Whew. They're $3.99 each, but I bought 2 packs of each flavour, so they were $7.99. Oh my gosh, my life just flashed before my eyes. I was like, Olivia, why are you so stupid? But no, they're not quite that much. They're still expensive, but they're not $7.99 per packet. I decided to buy another supplement to try because I've only ever had those 3, and I'm not saying that you need supplements, especially when you're as early into a fitness journey as me, but I'm sure it won't help, it won't hinder my progress. I'm sure it'll only help, so I just thought I'd buy another one. My cousin, who used to be really into the gym, and she's currently getting back into the gym now, she always swore by creatine, so I picked up some creatine. This is 75 servings, so you get heaps in here, and I don't think this was that expensive. Yeah, this was $18.99. I will put somewhere in the video, you've probably already seen it, whether it's Australian or US dollars, but I just thought I'd try this out. I'm pretty sure this is flavourless. Creatine is just supposed to, doesn't say what it's supposed to do, but to my knowledge, creatine is just supposed to help you build muscle mass, which I thought I would do that because I'm trying to lose weight and build muscle. I know they don't go hand in hand, but I thought maybe if I take this, by some miracle, I will build muscle and lose fat at the same time. I don't know. This was just cheap. Again, I just wanted to try stuff from this brand, so I picked it up. The last thing that I paid for was this, and I hear so much about this product, but I hear about the white chocolate one. They did not have the white chocolate one in stock, otherwise I would have bought the white chocolate. But this is the protein cream and cookies and cream. Now this is essentially Nutella, but I got the cookies and cream, not the chocolate. The chocolate is supposed to be identical to Nutella, but don't kill me guys, but I don't like Nutella. I've never liked Nutella, not as a kid, not as an adult, I just don't like Nutella. So I thought I would try the cookies and cream one, because this was only, I think, about $10, so it was pretty inexpensive, and I thought this would be really nice to have when I have like pancakes and stuff, because I have protein pancake mix, and I just thought it'll come in handy. And yeah, I don't know, you guys, I don't really know why I bought half of the stuff in this haul. I'm a real sucker for marketing, if you couldn't already tell. I didn't have a spoon, so I just stuck my finger in. I will tell you guys that I did just wash my hands before I filmed this, but this tastes, how do they make that taste so good? You guys, if you like Oreos, you will love this. This tastes exactly like Oreos blitzed down and put into a paste. I'm going to go put this in the cupboard, otherwise I'm going to sit and dig my fingers into it. This is really yummy. The final three things in here I did not pay for at all. They were free gifts, and I'm glad that they were, because these were not products that I would have purchased myself, because I have heard very mixed things about them. I have two different protein cookies. You get one for ordering over a certain amount, and then I got another one for it being Valentine's Day. So I got lemon, is it just lemon? Yeah, lemon and coconut. I'm more excited for the lemon. There's 23 grams of protein in 2 cookies, but there's also 26 grams of sugar. So, yes. I'm just going to stick this clip in of me trying out one of the cookies because I'm hungry and I want to try it. It smells really good. This is the lemon one, by the way, so let's give it a try. It's not good. Kind of has like the same weird texture. Very protein powdery, and the lemon is quite fake. Yeah, for how much sugar is in these, they are not very good. That's a really big shame. I thought they were going to be delicious. Okay, I will go in the bin. So, sorry Woman's Best, I don't like the cookies at all. And the final thing that I got, I am going to live taste test for you guys, because I want to see what these taste like. These are very, very, in the reviews that I've seen, they're very polarizing, more so than anything else. Most people that I've seen hate them, and a few like them. So I'm going to try them for you live. These are the protein bites, and I got coconut because they had the best reviews. And these have 26.5 grams of protein. The thing that I find weird about these is that they're supposed to be protein bites, right? So you'd think they'd be, I mean, they're pretty light, so I suppose you couldn't really fit much more protein in them. But there's only like 2.6 grams of protein per bite. But anyway, we're still going to try them. I don't know if I mentioned, but these are in coconut. The packaging is really annoying, so I've just destroyed it. I'm going to have to put them into like a Ziploc. So they just look like little bonbon chocolate type things. Most of you guys won't know me, but I'm extremely picky with like diet foods, so. Very dry. They're really, really dry. They're not good. Halfway through you get hit with this really artificial taste and I don't like it. I am going to finish this because it's literally in my hands, but I wouldn't buy these. Don't buy these. If you get them for free, they're probably okay, but don't know why I didn't get chocolate. Why the hell did I get coconut? Alright guys, so that is everything that we got today in our Women's Best packages. Please let me know if you've tried anything from Women's Best, if you want to, if your friends tried something. I'd love to hear your guys' opinions on Women's Best as a whole. Overall, I'm pretty excited. The chippies were nice. The protein bites not so much. The protein cream was delicious. I really want to try the white chocolate one. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with the shipping and the packaging. Other than the fact that they put my protein chips underneath heavy stuff, 2 of my bags out of the 5 that I got are good. The rest of them are all crushed. I mean, it doesn't matter because you're just going to shove it in your face anyway, but you know, like, use a little bit of finesse. Most companies would send it with like packing stuff on it, like whenever I order food from websites like iHerb, they use like packing, like air, you know what I mean, like the air, packing air, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Whereas these guys don't, which I guess from an environmental standpoint is good, but then also they obviously don't care that much about the environment because this is a bloody waste of plastic. But overall, for a first impression, I'm pretty impressed. My only thing is that I do not like those protein bites. Do not buy the protein bites. They are gross. I mean, people told me that they were gross in reviews, but as I said, I got them for free, so I wasn't going to remove them from my cart. I was going to give them a try so that I could tell you guys, don't buy them. My one big question to you guys is, do you want to see a review on these products, like a proper review with pros and cons and my thoughts after using it for a month? Because if you would like to see that, I can upload that in March or April, because yeah, I would love to keep you guys posted on how these go, because if you guys are like me and you follow lots of people on Instagram, so many people are sponsored by so many different brands, and I kind of just wanted to start and try some of those brands and see if they actually are any good. So that's everything that I have to say today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable or anything like that, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and this is your first video, hello, please subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. I do beauty and lifestyle and fitness and all sorts of random stuff, and then I also do vlogs on Sundays. So definitely subscribe if you haven't already, because yeah, it means a lot to me. Alright guys, I'm going to go. Thank you once again for watching. I love you, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!